about 3 to 4 p.m. That is Tuesday, okay? We decided, Mr. Ramos decided to, in an actual making of a factory, has she wants to make some very unique molding structure, okay? One of my classmates before there are three very stunning students making very creative molding structure of a pottery. One is Nawal Farhan from Tagiporo and in Palawan.
Yeah.
Next is from Semak, going to pay us, Talon, the
Yeah.
owner of the irrigation, and the most stunning actress in the Philippines, Gaba. One of my friends,
Who is that? The owner of irrigation.
Jefferson Frank, one of my friends makes very undecided structure of undecided and unplanned structure of clay. And Mr. Ramos asked, "What is this kind of design?" And the student said, "That is abstract." And Mr. Ramos, oh my God, Mr. Ramos said, "Oh my God, what is kind of abstract? Is this an abstract?" He said. So the student shocked. So that is the essence of
The pottery.
pottery maker. Okay, next is, okay, you should take down some very important details of this kind of leaves, because later I'm going to give you a very long quiz later. Next is a silly. Silly, can you give some very scientific details of leaves? Okay, stand Mr. Brad.
Scientific name Silicos.
Oh, that's perfect. Next,
Silicontasis.
silicontasis. Next,
Silivia.
yeah, salivia is a root word of Olivia.
No, sir, Silivia come from the mouth. That's what you call saliva.
No,
Silivia.
the salivia is very near to Olivia. Okay,
Olive
Olivia
Ramos.
and the salivia. Okay,
Olive Ramos.
Olive Ramos, you know, Olive Ramos
Yeah,
is
I
one of
know
the
her.
most stunning Garfield here in the province of Lahos Norte.
Olivia Ramos, the most stunning Balangkaneneng, next to Abner,